Sutra of the Merit and Virtue of the Past Vows of Medicine Master Vaiđurya Light Tathagata. They will be intelligent and wise, courageous and valiant, like great and awesome knights. If a woman hears the name of the world-honored one, Medicine Master Vaiđurya Light Tathagata, and sincerely cherishes it, in the future she will never again be born as a female. Moreover, Manjushri, when Medicine Master Vaiđurya Light Tathagata attained body, by the power of his past vows he contemplated all the sentient beings who were undergoing various kinds of sickness and sufferings. Some suffered from diseases such as emaciation, atrophy, severe thirst, or yellow fever. Others were harmed by paralysis ghosts or by poisonous hexes. Some died naturally when young, while others experienced untimely deaths. He wished to dispel all their sicknesses and sufferings, and to fulfill their wishes. At that time, the world-honored one entered a samadhi called Extinguishing the Suffering and Distress of All Beings. After he entered this samadhi, a great light came forth from his flesh cowl. From amid that light he proclaimed this magnificent dharani. Namo boche fadi bisha she julu bilyu bibo lapor hela sheye datwor jedwor ye erla hedi sanmiao sampu twoye daja twonan bisha she bisha she san moje diswor her. After he had spoken that mantra from amid the light, the earth trembled and emitted great light. All beings' sicknesses and sufferings were cast off, and they felt peaceful and happy. Manjushri, if you see a man or a woman who is ill, you should single-mindedly and frequently clean and bathe him and rinse his mouth. Provide him with food, medicine, or water that is free of insects, over any of which the dharani has been recited 108 times. After the sick person has taken it, all his sicknesses and sufferings will be gone. If this person has a wish, he should recite this mantra with utmost sincerity. Then he will obtain whatever he wished for, and his life will be prolonged and free from illness. At the end of his life, he will be reborn in that Buddha's land. He will become irreversible and will ultimately attain bodhi.